Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We'll do a little video this morning for y'all, tell you what's been going on. I've been hunting the last couple days, trying to do some bow hunting, so I got a little bit of time. I'm down here, just got out of the woods a little bit ago, and I'm gonna go out this evening. So anyway, let's talk about the trains. I had a buddy of mine make me up some sheets for my industries. Tells you what industry, what cars to pick up, and what cars to move around for the industry. And then right like this one here, I won't have any to sit out right now because the train is not made up, but just wanted to show you that. And let's see what else. Started using these Jeep 40s I.C.R.R. They're Atlas engines that are the older run, but they got chips in them and they run good. They're non-sound, but anyway, got that working the yard for a little while. Another one of my sound units, Athearn Genesis. Runs great. It's good locomotive. Those two that I bought, or that I got recently. There's one of them, GP38s. Here's the boxes that these got two of them, non-sound. I think I said that in my last video. Let's go over here to Sparta, but yeah, just trying to clean some stuff up around here. I got this guy here gonna be a local for Sparta, switching out the different industries, the big name furniture and the beer warehouse, ConAg, and Mopac interchange, and fertilizer plant. My basement is a mess, but hopefully this winter I can get some stuff done. There's a little bit of track work I need to work on, different spots and different derailments, just different kind of spots. But yeah. But anyway, another thing, I have ordered a little tripod stand for my phone, because I do all my videos on my phone. Get a little tripod. I'm going to set the camera up on this tripod and do some switching here in the yard for y'all, and so I got that ordered. I don't want to really do switching videos when I have to hold the camera, because I don't want to make you guys sick with the phone doing this, you know. But anyway, just letting you guys know that this winter hopefully get some operation videos for you. So just keeping just trying to man, this layout is a mess. I know I have to finish the backdrop, put a backdrop in down there, and I know I gotta put a backdrop back through there, through here, all that. Yeah, I know, I gotta do that. I got it. I got the boards to do it. Can't think of that name, but I just got to take the time to put it up. So anyway, all right guys, well thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted on what's been going on. So you guys have a great day, and you guys be safe.